friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be group collaboration, and the theme of this collaboration is a Goodwill Wreath challenge. So what that means is that we had to go to Goodwill, grab something that we could incorporate in our wreath that we're going to be making. This challenge was very fun to make. I like going thrifting, and I was so excited to find something that I could put on my wreath. I hope you will like what I made, because I'm very happy with how it turned out. Now, in this collaboration, there is a couple of ladies that participated, and those are Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest, Sonia from Domestic Diva 76, then Sam from Creatively Sam, Gliza from Made with Glee, and Leah from Junker Necker, and of course me. Hope you will enjoy watching this video, and hope you will get inspiration to go ahead and use something that you already have or bought from a thrift store, yard sale, or wherever, and incorporate that in your decor. There will be a playlist in the description box down below where you can go ahead and find the videos of all these ladies that participated in this collaboration. Now let's go ahead and let me show you how I made this wreath.
The first thing I used was this wreath that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then I got this cute egg, wooden egg from the thrift store. It was $2.99. The first thing I did, I took the wreath and I gave it a light coat of the color. I chose Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white. That is my go-to paint, and I really like it. I wasn't entirely sure what I want to do with this egg. Even though it was cute, it wasn't what I'm used to. I'm used to very simple colors, but at the end I decided to go with this. I decided to step out of my comfort zone and leave it the way it is. The only thing I wanted to change is to sand this glitter, because I didn't like it. And after that, I just went over the saying on it with the similar color paint, just for those words to pop out even more. When that was dry, I took my Beverly chalk paint in a color mineral, and I just lightly distressed it on some spots. Next, I took the egg and I just popped it right into this wreath. It didn't require any glue because it fits perfectly and it was so snug in it. Now, this lavender pick was from the Dollar Tree, and I just cut out the picks and I stuck them in a wreath on the top of the wreath. Again, it didn't require any glue. It was very snug and secure the way it was placed in. Create a bow, I took this burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree and I created a very simple bow. I'm not very good at making bows, but I'm getting there. I'm getting better. So I just made a very simple one. I folded both sides of the ribbon in the middle. I used a hot glue to secure it, and then I just kind of pinched it in the middle and used the hot glue again to secure it. And then I took a little strip of ribbon again and I wrapped it around the middle just to make it look more finished. After that was done, I took a little larger piece of ribbon again, and then I folded towards the middle. So I folded the ends towards the middle, like I will show you over here, and I secured that with a hot glue and just placed my bow on the top of it. I don't know if this is the right way to do it or not, but this is how I did it. And I just cut the bottom of the ribbon or of the bow like so, and that was it for my bow. I put the hot glue on the top of the wreath and secured it right between the flowers, and that was it. I also used the twine that was already on an egg, secured it to my wreath, and that was what I'm gonna use to hang this wreath. And that is it, guys. I am absolutely in love with this wreath. I wasn't sure what I'm gonna make at the beginning and how I'm gonna incorporate this egg into my wreath, but I am so happy how it turned out. It is so fresh, Eastery, springy, and I love it.
And that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you liked how my wreath turned out. If you're coming from other channels, I am so excited to have you here. Hope you will like this video and my other videos, and hope you will consider subscribing to my channel, joining my YouTube family. I have a lot of good collaborations and videos coming up in the future. Don't forget to check out the playlist that I will have linked in the description box down below for other participants' videos, and enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!